Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unreal Engine tutorial series. So today I'm going to add a decal marks when these barrels are exploded like this. Let's go to debug camera, and yeah, the decal marks would look like this on the ground to show the burn-ins. And as always, this episode is sponsored by these generous Patreons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Alright, so here's my fire barrel or explosive object. Let's open the blueprint of that, and yeah, this is the explode event. Let's open it. Right, so now here I need to, yeah, these things are to detect other objects or other surrounding object. So, and here is the particle that shows the explosion and applying the radius damage. Right, so after this one, let's collapse this part like this. Explode surrounding objects. Right, so after this part, that means after completing this part, let's spawn a decal at location. The location is this. For the location I can use, let's see, yeah, the location of that object itself. Get actor location. Oops, I should connect it to the location pin. And rotation I'll keep just like this, and lifespan let's keep it 0. If I let it keep it 0, that means it will never go away. For now I'll keep it 0. And the decal material is this one, M burning. M burning. Okay. And decal size is, I think I already have a decal placed somewhere. Yeah, let's see with the size of it. Okay, it's 128, 256, 256. Let's apply the same. 128, 6, 256. Actually, in Z direction, I don't think I need that much. So, I reduce to 128. Compile, and let's see if that works. Let's fire up our arrow. Right, as you can see here, it is working, but this yeah, I don't like this look exactly like a rectangle. and that's not very. And also this should be 256 because there is some kind of a distortion here. Let's see again. Okay, I have to use a fire. Right. So I don't need it to be this exact square shape. I need it to be more like a random shape. And how can I do that? Well, I can do it like this. I think, yeah, this decal. I'm using this function. This let's do the same here. Let's use this splatter object. Let's get it here like this, and same as here, let's use this sub UV function. So that I can get a subsection of this. Here we have multiple splatter shapes. I can get one of them. Just like here. Let's constant 2 vector. Here I have, it's more like a 4x4 grid. But the problem is this part is not filled. And the frame is, let's use what we have done here, right? 0. Let's promote this to a parameter and get the 0th frame and plug the RGB value to the opacity. And let's see how it looks. Not really. This is not the way I want it to look. Oh wait, I have made a mistake here. This should be connected to texture 2D. Why can't I connect it like this? Okay, I need to convert this to a texture object first, like this, and connect to texture 2D and use the RGB value. Yeah, now it's okay. This is better. Okay, so let's apply this and see how it looks. Right, I think it was compiling before. Shit, I ran out of arrows. Okay. Right, this is better. Yeah, I need to do something about this arrow because it's still visible and in the on the surface, on the air. Well, I don't yeah, this doesn't look exactly like a mark left from an explosion. So let's see how should a mark from an explosion should look on the ground. Yeah, it is smaller. It should be more like this, of course. So why don't we use one of these? Can I use one of these? shall we download this? And okay, it's not PNG. What about this one? Okay, anyway, let's go to Photoshop. Right, I couldn't open that file, so here is another one. So let's use this one. I'll let's make this file. I'm not really familiar with Photoshop. Let's create some square size 512 texture and put it that one here like this. Okay, right, so this is the file I'm going to use. Let's save this one as a PNG, and here is that file in Unreal. Let's use this one here and plug this opacity, and this is how it looks, and here and here. Okay, let's try them on the barrels. Where's the barrels? There. Okay, now it looks more natural. Right. So yeah, I'm gonna stop today for at this point, and yeah, in the next episode I want to work on things like when this thing explodes, this grass and the leaves around this area should have some kind of a impact, and so they should move away from that area and come back to show the shock wave. So I want to implement a way to simulate that. I'm not sure how, but I want to experiment on that. And right, see you in the. If you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club, and I'll post project code updates, source code updates into the Patreon page as well. And right, see you in the next episode. Goodbye.